King Saul watched from his tent, visibly burdened with deep doubt and uncertainty. But David walked down to the stream and carefully chose 5 smooth stones. His sling was ready in his hand, and his unwavering faith was in his heart. He descended alone into the misty valley below. Each step remained steady and deliberate. The giant loomed menacingly ahead, yet he did not stop. Goliath's shadow grew larger with each step forward. The giant laughed mockingly and cursed loudly. But David declared his unwavering faith and stepped forward courageously without any fear or hesitation. The sling whirled. The stone flew true. It struck the giant's forehead, and Goliath crashed to the earth. Silence fell over the battlefield. Then a tremendous roar erupted.
Welcome back, my money makers.
I hope you enjoyed that video.
Honestly, this is the best time in history to become an animator, and most people are completely missing this. A few years ago, creating animations meant expensive software, big teams, and months of dedicated works. Because normally animation is very stressful. You have to design characters, animate scenes, record voiceovers, sync everything, and yet still spend time in editing. It's not a child's play, honestly. And if you are not experienced, that's the worst case of it. The whole process will just feel overwhelming. But today, with the aid of AI, you can now create powerful animations, be it emotional animated stories, Bible stories, fun-filled stories, and even real-life stories from your laptop and even on your phone. And this is not for pro, even if you are just starting, honestly. So without wasting much of your time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you exactly how to make money legitimately online, especially with AI. So why not go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification button. So let's head over to it. Now, kindly go to this website called Animjam. Please get yourself registered, and it will bring you to this interface. You can see an amazing things here. You see that this Animjam does everything that has to do with your animation perfectly. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the previous animation that they have done, both in 3D style, in Ghibli style, and even in animal way. You can from here recreate whatever you want to create. You can pick any template here and work on it. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna start from scratch, all right? So when you look at this place, you see what story will you animate today. I have a story in my mind already, so I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. Now I'm gonna hit generate here. Now, Animjam will start processing that story, and do you know the best part of it? Animjam will come up with the best version of the story, very perfect for you. Now, if you look by your left hand side, you will see AI image, AI video, lip sync, motion control, character, voice, style, AI audio, like everything is complete here. Now, Animjam have finished processing that story. Now, when you look at the right side, you will see all the properties you need to work with: the platform, the aspect ratio, audio mode, audience. Now, this is the beautiful aspect of this Animjam. Number one is that it is not an AI generator, it is an AI agent. What it means is that you don't even need to give it the full information about a story or whatever animation you are doing. Just give Animjam just the tip or the summary of the story. Animjam is going to work on the story. The workflow will just flow perfectly. Now I'm gonna select 16:9, and I'm also going to select voiceover because I want it to voice over the story. All right, if you are doing dialogue stories, you can pick dialogue, or music only, you can choose music. All right, now you can increase the duration, you can reduce the duration here. So I'm gonna just increase it a bit and click on confirm. Now Animjam is working on the storyline. Now you can see that Animjam brought out the story of how it will happen. Actually, I'm creating a story on David and Goliath, the courage of the small. All right, you can see that this story, Animjam gave me 5 sayings. And trust me, you can still come to this place and tell Animjam, I want it to be 7 sayings, 8 sayings, 10 sayings, and it will give you just perfect sayings for it. All right. Okay, now let me tell Animjam that I want the story to be 7 sayings. While we wait for Animjam to come up with the final script, I want to tell you, you can post this your content. If you are a faceless animator, you can post it both on TikTok, on Facebook, and trust me, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, they pay for this particular video content. All right, even YouTube as well. Our script is ready, like it didn't even waste time. Now you can see that it is an agent, right? You tell Animjam what to do, Animjam will do it perfectly. Is that not so sweet? Let's go ahead and click on this style design. It will give us different options of this style designs, and we'll pick from there. You can see that Animjam brought out different style. Okay, you can choose from here. You can choose anyone here if you like them. I will go with this, but I want to show you something here. This style library, if you don't like the one Animjam brought out, just open the style library and it will give you varieties of options. All right, so from here you can now pick the one you want. I can just come to this place and search for timeless illustrated, or I can search for timeless review. You will see it here. Okay, you can pick anyone, but I want to go with this, so I'm gonna tap on it. Now you can see what Animjam told me. He said, excellent choice, timeless review is a perfect match for this story. It is just an agent. It talks to you as if you guys are doing the thing together. It's not like just give it a prompt, it will just be doing whatever it wants. No, you guys are doing it together. So I'm gonna scroll a bit here. You will see concept design. Click on concept design. That's the next stage. Now you can see it brought out 7 visual concepts from my story, which is Valley of Elah battlefield, Peaceful Shepherd's Field, Israelite army camp, King Saul's tent, stream bed, confrontation ground, victory hillside. You can see it. So I'm gonna click on generate all concepts. It will bring out the concept here. That's perfect. You can see that our images have generated. You can see all of them here. Now you can edit anyone and structure it the way you want. If you tap on it, you see a text here. You will describe or describe again what exactly you want. This one is for batch 1. They said all 5 characters saved. Now generating the 3 key props. If you go down, you see batch 2 complete. Now you see the 15 concept designs that are complete. Goliath, David, Messenger, Soldier, King Saul, and so on. The next thing we need to handle is our storyboard plan. So when you look at this place, you will see AI director mode. When you want to generate all of them at once, generate a final video with audio in one go. This is a workflow mode. You generate it bit by bit. This one is when you want to turn your ideas. So we are going to go with this AI director mode, and also we are going to use Cdance 2.0. All right, you can see it here. Now just go ahead and click confirm and allow this AI to do the magic for you. Now this is perfect. You can see it has generated the whole thing. Now when you look at this, you see the video 1. It shows both the video, it will be showing the minutes or the seconds each scene will stay before the next scene will come up. You can see it. So let me show you very well so that you don't get confused. Now see it's the scene, the sex, and the details. A land divided. You can see how many seconds it will last. That it will come with 2 scenes, White Valley are down and Annie's face off. You can see it here. So when you go down, the same thing. So this is very, very perfect. You can tell this AI to generate it all at once or step by step. So I'm gonna click on generate it at once. Now the scenes are out. You can see all those scenes here. Let me play one. This is very, very perfect. Now you can see that this is perfect. All right, if you zoom out, you see all the things that we have been working on. Let me show you. This is very interesting. You can see both the image generation. Let me drag this out.
You see the scripts, the image generation. Okay, the story, that's the script, then the video generation. All right, when you look at this side, you see all the things that this amazing AI tools has created for me. Guys, we are cooked with this AI, honestly. Now go ahead and click on generate narration. We are working on the voice aspect of it now. Guys, we are getting the voiceover. All right, now it is done. I want you to go ahead and select voice. Let's select voice. Now you can check this voice out. You can click on it and check it out, or you just go to this place and choose another voice. It will bring out TTS platform for you to choose any voice of your choice. You guys, this is one AI tool that can do everything for you. With the Faceless creators, we are trapped here, honestly. So I'm gonna choose the voice I want. So I'm gonna use this voice and click on confirm. You can also use your own voice inside this platform. All right, that place that they told you to choose a voice, you can either choose from the platform or you add your own if you have one. Now all the voiceover is done, and after that you can go ahead and generate the background music, that's BGM. So I'm going to click on generate background music. Now you can see our background music is done. All right, so I'm gonna click on render preview video. Now that it has rendered our video, please go ahead and click on add media to timeline. Like I told you, they have a provision of you editing it on their timeline. Once you click on add media to timeline, you click on create new track so that they'll assemble all your work to the timeline. Now you can see our recording here. Please, when the timeline came out, you have to click on open timeline. All right, okay, so this is it. You can see our work here. From here you can drag this thing to see all these things. Any way they make mistake, I can adjust. You can trim out some space that the voiceover couldn't cover, and you can remove the background music and add it to where you want it to play. I'm gonna work on it a bit, and then I'll download it and play the results for you. After I'm done editing and fixing everything that I want to fix it, I'll just go to this place and click on export. Now choose the export type that you want. I want it to be video. All right, click on start exporting. That's all for Animjam. All right, you guys, are you going to try out this particular application? The fact that they give you free credits is even what makes it very beautiful, because some of the applications that are like this, most of them, they don't even allow you to test what you can get to their app. But these people, they allow you to test it. Please go ahead and use Animjam, and your Faceless workflow will be very swift. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
A young shepherd named David played his cherished harp in a sunlit meadow, blissfully unaware of the approaching storm. A messenger came running, breathless and weary from his journey. He brought urgent word of the giant and an army now paralyzed by overwhelming fear and doubt. David arrived at the camp, seeking to help. Soldiers mocked him relentlessly. King Saul watched from his tent, visibly burdened with deep doubt and uncertainty. But David walked down to the stream and carefully chose 5 smooth stones. His sling was ready in his hand, and his unwavering faith was in his heart. He descended alone into the misty valley below. Each step remained steady and deliberate. The giant loomed menacingly ahead, yet he did not stop. Goliath's shadow grew larger with each step forward. The giant laughed mockingly and cursed loudly. But David declared his unwavering faith and stepped forward courageously without any fear or hesitation. The sling whirled. The stone flew true. It struck the giant's forehead, and Goliath crashed to the earth. Silence fell over the battlefield. Then a tremendous roar erupted from the hillside. The army that had trembled in fear now raised their voices triumphantly in victory. David stood still, looking out over the peaceful valley. The smallest among them had changed everything.